This is James Fox with another video tutorial for Zipbooks.com. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a new team member. Adding a new team member will give that person access to the options that you want them to use. You can also add an hourly rate for that team member. So when your company is working on a project for a customer and that team member is part of that project, that team member's rate will be charged to that customer. So to add a new team member, click on the Team button here in the left pane. Next, click on the New Team Member button here. Now here is the area where we're going to enter all of the information. So the first thing we're going to do is type in the team member's first and last name. Next, we're going to enter in the email address and a password for that team member. Now keep in mind that the same email address and password that you enter here will be used for that team member's login information. Now we're going to add the team member's hourly rate. This is the hourly rate that will be charged to the customer if this particular team member is working on a project for that customer. In this example, I'm going to enter the hourly rate of $50 per hour. Now we're going to focus our attention to the User Permissions section. This is where you're going to choose which options you want the team member to have access to. Now by default, all of the options are selected. But if you do not want the team member to have access to certain options, you're going to deselect that option. So for example, if you do not want the team member to create invoices, deselect Manage Invoices by removing the check mark in the box next to Manage Invoices. If you do not want the team member to enter expenses, then simply deselect Manage Expenses. After you have made your choices, click Save here. Now after you click Save, you will be back in the team member screen, and the team member that you just created will appear in the team member list. And that is how you create a new team member. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Once again, my name is James Fox, and I'll see you next time.